I heard you sang a good song. I heard she had a style, and so I came to see her to listen for a while. And there she was, this young girl, a stranger to my eyes, strumming with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. And that's what we were, embarrassed by the crowd. When she found my letters and read each one aloud, I prayed that she would finish, that she just had my arms, slugging the pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. She sang as if she knew me, in all my dark despair. And then she looked right through me, as if I wasn't there. I prayed that she would finish, but she just kept my arms, rubbing my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Oh,